In this journey of life, I have experimented with several nutrition strategies, several workout routines, and several mental health practices. And today I wish to share with you that I am no nutritionist, no medical practitioner, and this is something that has worked for me, which may or may not work for you. Without further ado, let's start with today's video. Intermittent fasting is something that I'm grateful to the universe for introducing it to me. If you don't know what is intermittent fasting means, it means having food for few hours, basically fasting for rest of the time period. There are several standards which are going on, like the most popular one is 16-8, where you fast for 16 hours and whatever you want to have, that you have within 8-hour feasting period. The one that can be followed easily and something that I follow it as well is 12 by 12. 12 hours you can have whatever you want, 12 hours you have to fast. The benefits that are there, whatever dead cells or whatever nutritional aspects which are not required in your body, that gets removed in the fasting process. This has also proven to help with insulin resistance. Many people have, which people are not aware of. Whatever symptoms they get, it's because of that. Typically type insulin resistance or fasting, the link between fasting and autophagy. You will get to know the whole matter. If you are looking for any book to start on this, a book by Jean Stephens, I forgot the name of the book, but I'll leave it on the screen for you. And if you don't know anything, then you can check over here, and I'll leave some YouTube channels also. There is also one book, The Obesity Code by Dr. Jason Fung. He illustrates the aspect of nutrition in such a manner that you'll be blown away, and I highly recommend it. I'll leave all these details in the resources section. Yoga is generally considered only with respect to asanas. That cannot be further from truth. It is a combination of, it's a mind-body connection with, it has breath work, it has asanas. Asanas are just one of the components. It is a myth that yoga is done only by older people and it should be done when you have no strength. That is not true. Yoga helps to develop strength. HIIT and strength conditioning workouts, these are one of my favorite ways. HIIT is high intensity interval training, where you do a specific activity at a greater intensity. Strength conditioning is using dumbbells or anything which leads to resistance. One thing that we most often forget is that nutrition overshadows workout plans. I have been working out for several years now, but the difference I actually saw when I started getting my nutrition right. Nutrition is a major factor as compared to workout, and it is possible to stay in shape, stay fit, okay, even if you don't do workouts. I see as a tool for mental health rather than physical health, and nutrition takes care of the physical health. This is something that I've learned. Whenever you have processed food, you check the mood over there that day, and on a day where you don't have processed food, you'll be able to know the difference. There is already so much material around nutrition and workout, so I won't get into the sciencey part of it, but this is something that has helped me. Even the anxiety levels, they increase after you have processed food. Okay, this is proven in research as well as this is I have seen practically. The amount of sugar that we have is also correlated to the feelings of anxiety that you have. There are ample reports regarding this. In an ideal world, whatever we need, we should get from the source directly, and there should be no need of any kind of supplement. But the point is that we are not living in an ideal world. We are living in a world which is filled with stress, where we are busy. The nutrition aspect often gets compromised. So in such cases, supplements come to the scene. This is just my opinion. Your opinion could differ on this. Supplements are not a substitute for whatever you get directly from source. But if you are not able to have that in that much quantity, supplements are a good way to combine it into your lifestyle. For women generally, iron supplements or folate supplements, these work wonders, help in increasing the energy levels, and this has helped me as well. Now, since we are talking about nutrition and lifestyle and everything, there is one thing that has not worked for me is 10,000 steps every day being advocated. I've tried to adhere to it, but it has just tracking. I got Fitbit also to try my steps. Whenever I track it, it comes to around 3,000, 4,000. In the middle of work, to walk till 10,000 steps, it just becomes impossible for me. So I rely on the strategies that have been discussed previously, previous points, rather than 10,000 steps, because it doesn't agree with me, with my lifestyle. If you have a different take, then let me know in the comments. I keep looking forward to your suggestions and feedback. Today's was not just for PhD students, anybody can follow it. These things are followed universally. If you have not been doing any of these, then, and if you wish to start, then one point could be start with one thing, maintain consistency, see how things work for you, and come to an inference. Because without consistency, it does not make any sense. And with that, see you till the next video.